Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This is a sold, custom ordered boat that just arrived. It was ordered earlier this summer for a client of ours. Upgrades on this model: we've got the stainless steel insert and the white rub rail, otherwise white hull, chrome graphics, bimini top. It comes in black canvas. Anchor locker is forward. There's storage beneath this glove box on top of the console, which also drains. Put some drinks in there. You got a 12-volt plug at the helm. Portable fuel tank. We'll be adding bow cushions and helm seats to this boat prior to delivery. It's powered with a 40 horsepower four-stroke from Mercury. And there is a telescoping reboarding ladder on the starboard side. Comes with a trailer. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.